Um, Good evening, children. So, yesterday we have learnt about the uses and sources of water. Can you remember? Yes. So, today let us see about how do rivers form. Okay. Which river is flowing in our town? Yes, Amaravati river is flowing. Yes. Do you know how did it formed? No. So let me tell you how do rivers form. Okay? Yes. So usually if we have river in our town, what people usually they do? So they'll wash the clothes, they'll wash the animal, they'll take bath. So is it these are all the good things to do in water, river water? No, it is bad because in ancient days, people have taken water from the river and they have used it to drink it. Okay. Nowadays also some people are using that water as a drinking water. But what humans are doing? Okay. So, some people are polluting that water and make it impure to drink. Okay. So, we should not pollute the river water. So, the people are, some people are using that water for drinking, and those river water can be used for agricultural purposes. Okay. So, many more uses are there. Okay. So, we'll learn today how do rivers form. See, keep the finger on the line, children. I am starting reading. Leaves and grass on the floor of the forest help to store rainwater. So after it is heavy raining, each leaves and plants and grass, they store the rainwater. Okay. Then when sun is coming, then it starts to form a small spring. What do you mean by spring? சின்ன நீரோடை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, அது ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு நீரோட்டமாக ஒரு ஸ்மால் நேரோ பாத், ஒரு சன்னமான வழியில் ஒரு தண்ணி வந்து ஃப்ளோ ஆகும். அந்த லீவ்ஸ் கிராஸில் கலெக்ட் ஆன எல்லா தண்ணியும் என்னாகும், ஒரு சின்ன ஓடை மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸ்மால் ஸ்ப்ரிங்ஸ் ஜாயின் டுகெதர் டு ரிவர். So likewise many number of small springs, they'll go and join in a river. Then finally rivers reach the sea. So we have so much rivers, Amaravati river, Kaveri, Narmada, Yamuna, everything, they all will go and finally reach the sea. What do you mean by sea? Kadal. Okay. So have you understood how did river form? Yes. Okay. And how much water do we waste? So every day we are using water for multiple purposes. We are taking bath, for cooking we are using, washing vegetables, cleaning home, we are brushing. So for everything we are using water. So how much water? See, if we mind and use, we can save the water a lot. But we are not minding about it. It is just sometimes water may getting waste. So let us see how much water is wasted in our life. Okay, see the picture here, children. See here, see what this man is doing. See, he is drinking water. Why can't he fill in any bottle or a cup and he can drink? See, more water drops are wasting here. Okay, so see how much water is wasted. Is it a good habit? No. See, we should save water because water is precious. Without water, no one can live in the world. See, we waste a lot of water in our daily life. We waste water on many occasions, like when we take bath, when we brush, when we wash our hands, likewise many activities. Okay, so think of your daily routine. In which activity you are wasting more water? Write down it. Okay. Thank you.